What is the Earth's largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0 degrees Celsius. Which layer of the Earth is made of liquid iron and nickel? Outer core. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. What kind of energy does a moving object have? Kinetic energy. What is the closest star to Earth? The Sun. What is the most common gas in the universe? Hydrogen.